What's up, YouTube? My name is Neil. Welcome to the Maintenance Man channel. Today we are going to be taking a look at my white two-stage snowblower. Having trouble starting this year. I've had it for about 6 or 7 years now. No issues on it. I think the carburetor is, clogged up. This is not a fancy snowblower, but it's been really good for me. I have a very big driveway, and I also do snow removal at work. So it's nice when this does work, and unfortunately this year I've yet to be able to use it. So I got a carburetor off of Amazon, which I will show you really quick. It's this. Came with some fuel lines, the carburetor itself, which should just hook right in, same one that I have on there. I am going to get a kit to rebuild that carburetor also, just so I have a spare if this ever happens. Fuel filter, a little cheap one, on off for the gas line. It did come with new levers and stuff for the choke and the speed. Also came with a new priming bulb, gasket, and these things, which I'll figure out. But yeah, so here, I'll fire it up real quick and you guys can see what I'm talking about. It might run. It does sometimes run, but you can never turn the choke down or the speed. It just cuts out real quick. So, and I've always, this hadn't been running 2 years just because we haven't had snow worthy of that. But before that, I had zero issues with it. There wasn't any gas left in the tank the last time I used it, but there's probably some in the carburetor. And yeah, you know how that goes. So I'll do a time-lapse video of this, and then I'll stop if I have to. But here we go. All right, we're gonna start at the fuel lines, disconnecting them. I have it shut off. So I'll disconnect the carb side here. So nothing really in the carb. Alright, so I'm just draining out the gas tank. I know the gas is good in there because I just added it. Alright, so I'm going to be taking this cover off here. In order to do that, you got to pull the choke knob off. This cutoff can stay on. And there's just one screw at the top of mine. Like I said, it's not like a big motor or anything. I think it's a 5 horsepower Tecumseh. It's a white MTD. Nothing special, but it's worked out really well for myself. Alright, so here's the old carburetor. So I'll just be taking off these fuel lines and these 2 bolts in the back. Looking at the new one, looks like I have to keep this, and this here, the idler. attach on the front there. So let's get to it here. choke knob back on. We are good to go. So I got the new carb on. I did not use the new primer bulb. I used the old one because it fit better. Kept this knob on, kept that. Go over to the fuel side. Ran all the fuel lines, put a fuel filter on-off valve. So let's gas this up and see what we get. I don't see any leaks over here. Cap back on. Check our other side. I don't see any leaks over there. Let's give the primer a few. Nothing leaking out. Get a good bit in there.